Hello everyone and welcome back to Speak Like a Leader. I'm Paula and today we're diving into the world of business memos. Did you know that the longest memo ever written was over 100 pages long? Thankfully, you don't need to write a novel to get your point across. In fact, learning how to write clear memos in business English is all about being brief and clear. So let's uncover how to make your memos both clear and engaging with some fun tips and tricks to keep your readers interested. Today we'll explore tips and tricks to boost your business writing skills, because effective writing can significantly impact your communication and overall success. Let's uncover some strategies to make your writing more impactful and efficient. Effective business writing is crucial. Clear communication can reduce errors by up to 80%, while strong writing skills can enhance your professional image. Did you know writing persuasively can increase response rates by 30%? Also, efficient writing can save an average of 2 hours per week. So by mastering these skills, you can improve your productivity and make a positive impression. Understanding your audience is key to effective writing. Research shows that tailoring your message to your audience can increase engagement by up to 40%. Identify who you are writing to, understand their needs, and always adjust your tone and your content accordingly. For instance, when addressing senior executives, focus on high-level insights and actionable recommendations. Clarity and conciseness are essential, because studies show that almost half of readers prefer simple language over complicated language and jargon. With the average attention span being only 8 seconds, getting to the point quickly is extremely important. For example, instead of saying, "due to the fact that," just use the word "because." Short sentences and paragraphs can make your writing more engaging and easier to read. Organize your writing with clear headings and bullet points. Documents with headings are 40% easier to navigate, and almost 80% of people prefer lists for highlighting key points. For example, in a report, use headings like introduction, methodology, findings, and conclusion. This structure will help your readers follow your message more easily and keep them engaged. So you need to follow a logical flow. Another very important element is your tone and formality. Adjust your tone to match the formality level appropriate for your audience when writing. Research indicates that politeness can increase cooperation by 20%. So if you're polite, you have 20% higher chances of people doing exactly what you're asking them to do. For example, instead of saying, "I need this by tomorrow," you could say, "Could you please send me this by tomorrow?" Always maintain a respectful and professional tone to foster positive interactions. Proofreading and editing are essential steps. Let me remind you that proofreading means reading your document before you send it out, because studies show that 60% of errors are caught during proofreading. Reading your writing aloud can help you catch mistakes and awkward phrasing. Additionally, getting feedback can improve clarity and effectiveness. For instance, having a colleague review your draft can provide valuable insights and suggestions. Another good idea for your writing is the use of templates. Templates can be incredibly useful. They reduce drafting time by 50%. They ensure consistency across documents and can be customized to fit your specific needs. For example, using a standardized template for meeting minutes or project proposal streamlines your writing process and maintains a very professional appearance. Incorporating visual aids can significantly enhance your writing. Visuals such as graphs and charts are processed much faster than text. Images can improve engagement and understanding, while tables help organize complex information effectively. For example, you can use a pie chart to show market share distribution or a table to compare financial data. Here are some examples of effective writing. For emails, be clear, concise, and polite. Like, you could say, "Dear team, please review the attached report by Friday. Thank you. Best regards, Paula." For reports, ensure a well-structured format with headings and bullet points. And for proposals, be persuasive and highlight clear benefits. Like, "Our strategy is projected to boost sales by 20% over the next quarter." And here are some useful expressions to enhance your business writing. When requesting something, use, "Could you please have this done by the end of the day?" For informing, try, "I would like to inform you that the meeting is postponed until Friday." When apologizing, you could say, "I apologize for the inconvenience caused by this delay." For confirming, use, "Please confirm receipt of this email." And when thanking someone, say, "Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter." By applying these tips, you can craft memos that are clear, concise, and engaging. Remember, effective memos can save time and enhance communication within your organization. If you enjoyed this video, you may subscribe to watch the entire series of business writing, including videos on how to write business proposals, emails, reports, and many other educational videos to enhance your business English skills. Have a great day and see you next time.